It's not easy to make money, but sometimes you need money quickly. If you're looking for ways to make money quickly, this is the video for you. I'm going to show you a very simple way you can make quick bucks by browsing online without spending your own money. So, keep watching to the end, check the description box to earn $1,000 or even more each and every day. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. You're looking for ways to make money quickly and easily, right? Don't worry. Here are the simplest ways to get a quick buck and make some cash in minutes. With the rise of digital marketing, the need for website testing has also been increasing. There are many testing platforms available today that help businesses with their websites and make them more efficient. Website testing is a business that anyone can get into and start making money. Website testers test websites from different angles and provide feedback on what is needed to be done in order to improve the website's performance. The benefits of being a website tester are that you get to work in different industries and learn new skills in the process. You can also earn an income by taking on freelance projects or working for companies that need website testers. Most testing sessions take between 10 and 20 minutes, and some companies may require you to install and run monitoring software on your computer. Here is one of the most well-known website testing platforms. usertesting.com. Best-in-class companies rely on user testing to gain valuable insights into their products from people like you. New test opportunities are posted every day from companies around the world. Applying in user testing is easy. First, if you're applying via desktop, visit the sign-up page here and submit your email address to apply. If you're applying via mobile, download the user testing app from the App Store or Google Play, then follow the prompts to submit your email address to apply. After that, you'll be asked to create your user testing account, which will include some basic information like your name, postal code, and PayPal email address. Once you submit your personal information, you'll see an applicant checklist. From here you can begin to take your practice test. Practice tests take around 7 to 10 minutes to complete. Be sure to give the recorder access to your screen and microphone before you begin your test so we can capture your feedback. You'll be shown a pre-test tutorial to show you how to navigate through your test. Once you submit your practice test, it will take a few days for it to be reviewed. They'll notify you of the results via email, or just check your applicant checklist for a status update. While you wait for your results, be sure to complete your application checklist if you haven't already, which includes completing your user testing profile and verifying your account email address. Keep in mind that the more complete your profile is, the more tests you'll qualify for to make money online. If you're accepted, you can start taking paid tests right away. As a tester, you have to complete tasks on a website, app, or prototype and speak your thoughts out loud. There are two types of tests you can take as a contributor. One is called live conversation, which is a live interview with one of user testing's customers in which they'll ask you for your perspective in an interactive conversation. The other is called an unmoderated test, which is a self-guided test that you take in your own time, by yourself. You don't need any special experience to get paid to test. User testing customers want to gather your unique perspective, so all you need to do is share your thoughts out loud using your mobile or desktop device. No prior experience is required. User testing has many contributors in countries located all around the world. They accept contributors from many countries in Asia, Europe, the Middle East, Latin America, and more. They require all applicants to speak English or German during their practice test. While you don't need to be a native English or German speaker to apply, you do need to be comfortable reading, writing, and speaking in English or German to be a user testing contributor. Once you're accepted to the user testing network, you may participate in tests that require other languages, if a customer requests it. Reward amounts range depending on the test type. Generally, the pay for each test varies between $3 to $60. The average payment is $10 per test. Your dashboard will always show you the amount you'll get paid for each test. Payments for completed tests are sent 7 days later. All contributors receive payments in USD through PayPal, so you must have a confirmed PayPal account that's in good standing to receive payments. User testing doesn't withhold any taxes from your payments. As a contributor, you're responsible for determining and paying any tax liabilities incurred from payments received by user testing. Also, you can try UserFeel and Try My UI to work as a website tester. In the end, don't forget to check the description box to earn $1,000 or more every day instantly. Give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.